Hazrat Ali described about wise person as aqalun nasi ahyahum. The wisest is the one who is the most modest and shy. Innama sharfu bil aqli wal adab, la bil mali wal hasab. Honor and superiority is with intellect and respect, not with wealth and lineage. Al aqilu man ahrada amrahu. Wise is the one who guards his affairs. Al aqilu la yatakallamu illa li hajatihi aw bi hujjatihi. A wise man either speaks according to his need or with reason. Similarly, a wise man asks for something as other can fulfill. Yustadullu ala aqli rajuli bi kasrati waqari wa husni ihtimalihi. A man's intelligence can be traced from his dignity and patience. Innal aqila liyattaiza bil adab. A wise man receives advice by being polite. He further said, aqalun nasi ahzarahum linnas. The wisest person accepts people's excuses the most. Sadrul Akli Sandukun Sirrihi. The chest of the wise man is the treasure of his secrets. Shimatul Uqalai Killatul Ghafla. It is the dignity of the wise that he minimizes laziness. He further described Al Aqilu Man Sana Lisanahu Anil Ghibati. A wise man saves his tongue from backbiting. Al-aqilu ya'tamidu ala amlihi. A wise man depends on action. Wa yatlubul kamal and seeks perfection. Hazrat Ali finally declared, Iza shabal aqilu shabba aqluhu. When a wise man is old, his intellect is young.